May you always find your way to higher ground. May you always keep your head held up high. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Just the sight of you when I'm at my weakest point makes a world of difference.
Hey fams, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. Today is going to be the first episode of my Falling into Fall series, and I am starting with none other than a DIY. So I purchased these, it's a lamp and this pottery terracotta vase. I purchased it from the thrift store, and the vase itself was $8, and the lamp that I'm going to be showing you, I got it for $7.99. I kind of wanted to do like a Pottery Barn dupe type thing, so I love the way that these turned out. And of course I'm painting it black because I'm going to be incorporating some black into my home decor. This is not just for seasonal. This is going to be all year round. Also, I'm going to be doing a little bit of decorating today. This is the lamp that I'm talking about. I actually saw this on Pottery Barn, and I will show you a picture similar to it for $300, you guys, and I got this lamp for $7.99. So what a bargain, what a steal. So I am going to be doing a little bit of decorating today. I'm going to be decorating my hutch in my living room and just adding some fall touches. I'm not going to overwhelm my space, but I just wanted to add some fall feels in my living room. I'm starting to decorate for the fall. So starting here with my hutch is just the beginning. So definitely stay tuned, watch the video from beginning to end, and definitely like, share, and subscribe if you are new here. I thank you guys so much, and let's go ahead and get on into this video. So this is the hutch that I'm going to be decorating. Right now, it's just like my summer decor that is on there, and I just did it simple. I didn't want to overwhelm the space. I have a lot of decor everywhere, so I just wanted something simple. And I'm also going to be doing simple decorating for the fall with this hutch, but just adding the pops of color and the warmth and lots of brass. So I am so excited about it, you guys, and I just can't wait for y'all to see how it turned out.
Make me strong, pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough.
So guys, this is the fall floral bucket. I have like a few more bags that's loaded with fall florals, but this is the first of many to come out of the attic. I have some pumpkins in there. I have like this fall picture that I made, I believe it was last year, and just a bunch of different things. And I just bust out this bucket today because I am so excited to start decorating. So this is the first of many that you're going to be seeing, and these are the tones and the colors, the earth tones, the rich colors that I'm going for. And I'm going to go ahead and start adding them to this hutch. Again, I'm not going to overwhelm my space. Honestly, I was planning on painting this hutch black, and I don't know, I still feel like I want to paint it black and then paint the inside like a lighter color because it's so dark in there. And then sometimes the angle from the camera and the lighting, it just makes it so dark that you can hardly see what I'm doing. But let me know down in the comment section, do you guys think I should paint this hutch black and paint the inside lighter, or maybe paint it gray? Let me know what you guys think. I am definitely ready for a change. It's been white for years and I wanted to do something different, but let me know if I should do it black, cream, or even gray. So now I'm going to get ready to just clean the inside, you know, from all the summer decor and everything like that. Just clean it out, and then I'm going to start adding my pieces. Again, I'm going for simple and just very, like, I guess romantic almost, but with lots of the earth tones and the creams and the browns, and oh y'all, it just looks so beautiful. And I'm loving all the brass vintage picture frames. I don't really know if these are vintage, but they all look vintage, so I'm gonna call it vintage. But I just love the tones together. So up there now I'm getting ready to put this black vase that y'all saw me spray painting, and y'all look how amazing this looks. I mean, Pottery Barn, oh my gosh, right? $8 for this thing. It looks amazing. So here we go. We're going to add some florals to it and get it up on top and start decorating the inside.
Order in a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. You're the first thing in the morning and the last. Baby, you're my future and you are my past. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Order in a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong.
Could see yourself just sitting there on my chair. I'm staring at you, you don't even notice. Should've told you straight away, you don't have to be afraid anymore. I know you haven't noticed.
So guys, if you're looking for some really simple fall art or vintage art or any type of art, you really can just go on Google, pull up whatever it is that you're looking for, and send it to like a PDF file or a Word document, and you literally can just print it out from your computer for free and put it in a picture frame and hang it up on your wall, or put it on a dresser or console table or anything like that. You don't necessarily have to go out and purchase frames or not frames, but you know, wall art for the fall. Everything is online, so you can go and find some really cool vintage artwork. Like I did that last year, and it's still like I can still use it for my decor, and I just love how simple it is, but it has like that festive fall feel, that warmth and that coziness. So I hope that you guys are feeling my vibes from this video. It's so warm and cozy, this beautiful Hutch decor, and my kids always laugh at me when I say warm and cozy, but I absolutely love warmth and coziness, especially in the fall. It is my absolute favorite season out of all the 4 seasons. I love fall so much. So I hope that you guys are feeling that. And by the way, if you guys are enjoying this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and definitely, share it and subscribe if you are new here. By the way, hello and welcome if you are new here. My name is Shushana, and on my channel, I do a lot of home decor, seasonal decor, cleaning motivational videos, and lifestyle videos as well. So if that's something that you are interested in watching, I do upload 2 to 3 times weekly, and I would love for you to go ahead, become a part of the family by subscribing. It is always free. And don't forget to hit that bell so you will be notified. Double tap it so that you'll get my videos and notifications all the time. So let's go ahead and get back into this video. Oh, by the way, this candle smells amazing. It's from my YouTube sister, Carla Mingo. And she has a website, carlamingohome.com. Definitely check out her candles. They are soy, they are organic, and all natural. So just wanted to throw that in there. So this is what my hutch is looking like, you guys, and I just love how it turned out. I love all the warm tones. I love the accents of the blacks and the browns of the wood and the brass. It just I think that this is probably my best fall decor. I love these tones. I love the warmth of them, and it gives it sort of like a classic glam style, which is what I love. I love glam, but I'm not like with all the rhinestones and everything. I love a classic glam, and this just screams that to me. It's so beautiful, and it's simple. It's not a lot. It's very minimal for me. It's very minimal, but I just love how it turned out. And I can't wait to get started on the rest of my home for the fall, because what you're seeing is exactly what my home is going to be looking like. This is the colors, the theme, the tone, the styles. Everything that you see here is basically what I am going for in my entire home. So I am super excited about it, and I hope that you guys love and enjoy this video, and that you are inspired and you can take away something from this video to incorporate in your decor for the fall season. You don't have to do much. Just implement your style, your taste, and you don't have to, keep up with the Joneses, so to speak. You just do what makes you happy. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you made it this far, thank you so much for your love and support. Y'all know this helps me out tremendously. When you watch the videos from beginning to end, it alerts YouTube that you are actually enjoying my content. So thank you guys so much for your support if you made it this far. Remember that Jesus is Lord, that he loves you, and I love you too. And I will see you guys in another fall episode coming up. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.
You know